Welcome. Today, we're diving into the creation of Nyama Choma, a cherished East African grilled meat dish. The journey begins with cutting your chosen meat, be it beef, goat, or lamb, into bite-sized morsels for grilling. Next, concoct a marinade by blending 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Slather this mixture generously over the meat, ensuring each chunk is well seasoned. Now, transform these flavorful morsels into mouth-watering kebabs by threading them onto skewers. With a hot charcoal grill at the ready, place the skewers on, turning occasionally for even cooking. As the meat cooks to perfection, savor the sizzling sounds and tantalizing aroma. Serve hot with your choice of side dishes, maybe a helping of kachumbari or grilled veggies. Thank you for joining us on this Nyama Choma journey. Subscribe for more delectable recipes and share your grilling tales in the comments below. Until next time, goodbye.